I am Subimal Karam, Secretary of Silvan Integrated Development Society. The society is a non-government, non-profit making and non-political organization working for the development of the needy and disadvantaged people of Sundarban. It is located at Pathor Putima in Sundarban under South Chব্বিশ Pরগনা district in West Bengal, India. We have been trying our best to develop the island of Sundarban since 2005. The staff and volunteers unit of our organization conducted a primary survey in a few villages, and in that survey report, food and agriculture is one of the problems that most people highlighted. Pathoputima block under Sundarban is situated in the southern tip of Sundarban's delta and surrounding by rivers and rivulets. As a result, the health scenario is not well in compared to the mainland, and for this all the essential services are not well decorated despite local administration is trying to do so. There are natural hazards which are much influenced by demographic and socio-economic vulnerability of the region. Regarding effect of cyclone induced multi-hazards in these coastal areas makes the life and livelihood of people miserable. Periodical cyclone for last 10 years followed by COVID pandemic and long lockdown makes people much more susceptible to hazard with the evil impact. One of the biggest hurdles of the families of the target area is lack of suitable agricultural land where they can produce paddy for this whole year. They are forced to act as a daily agricultural labor or migrated to other towns or states, keeping the family members, primarily their wives and children, in the locality. Women do not have sufficient knowledge or high yield paddy cultivation, thus even they take the lease, have low production. In many times it found that even the production is not bad in the area. Food deficit among those families are very common. Many of the community members value rearing cattle, especially poultry, dairy, piggery, for income and source of animal protein. Here, due of lack of training and lack of feed and disease management, these families could not continue the animal husbandry over the period. The project plans to find the best alternative that requires small space, less labor and investment, and but yield income. These are to be integrated with multiple crops that are nutritious and ready to climate change. Thanks.